don't get it! You're an anomaly!
Not if you let me go home!
Everywhere you go, you're an anomaly! You're the original anomaly!
Miguel!
The spider that gave you your powers wasn't from your dimension. It was never supposed to fight you!
Miguel,
There's a world out there with no Spider-Man to protect them because it bit you instead. You're not supposed to be Spider-Man!
no! You're lying! I'm Spider-Man!
You're a mistake! If you hadn't been bit, your Peter Parker would have lived. Instead, he died saving you.